Alright everyone, here's a delivery I am awfully glad to get. Always a pleasure when you get some fresh plants coming, and this one has special meaning to me. Let's open it up and have a look. Okay, this one has come from Daly's Nursery, which is an Australian company. Now, I am pushing the boundaries of whether they can grow here or not, but anyone who has me on Facebook knows that I absolutely love coffee. So we're going to try and grow some coffee down here, which, as I said, is pushing the southern boundaries on it. We have here a Blue Mountain Kenyan coffee, and also a dwarf coffee plant, which is a katui. So I need to get some pots for these to put them outside, so I'm going to go order those online so I can pick them up and we will get them potted up. So my pots have finally arrived. I've actually had to get a smaller one than I was going to get because of low stock numbers, but this one's fine. This is about a foot high, a little less than a foot wide. It's 300 high by 270 wide. The potting mix, I'm just using a standard cheap potting mix. And this has got my organic fertilizers that I use for my potatoes. We'll just base it with that. Just separate out our plants. And now we just pot them up. I'm using the unfertilized potting mix for the top of the filling. Ideally I want the roots going down, so the fertilizer down the bottom is where it's going to work best. Just bring it up to the level that the plant was at, and then just tamp it down. Then we'll go through and do the other one, and then we'll water them in. Now, some interesting facts on the coffee plant. Although the fruit is often called a cherry, they aren't a member of the prunus family or the stone fruit family. And although the seed of the fruit is often called a bean, they're not a member of the bean family, which is the Fabaceae family, I think, off the top of my head. So they're not a member of either one of those families. They're actually a member of the Rubiaceae family, which contains other things like madder and the bedstraw family. And you can tell, one of the ways you can tell they're a member of that family is the fact that they have opposite leaves and a simple leaf. So there's no frills to the leaf or anything like that, and the leaves grow in opposite pairs. So interesting little plant facts. Okay, so now we're going to water it in. Give it a nice good water. Just helps to make sure any air pockets in the soil are filled up. So we want a nice soaking water that's going to go all the way through. And then, because I'm going to keep them as indoor for the moment, we still have some chance of frost. There's a couple of days coming up that are frost chances, so they will be staying inside. And we're still in the cold weather, so chances are I'm not going to water them again until they come outside. They're going to do okay with the water that's in them. When you're watering them in, here's a tip. These ones are grown from cuttings, so you can see the roots have come out. You see up here there's a change in texture at the bark. That means I am now lower than where the cutting was struck, so I need to put a bit more soil in there and give it another water. And that one there is absolutely fine, no roots above the surface, and we're at the right layer. You got them sitting on the concrete now just so they can drain off before they go inside tonight. As you can see, there's lots of water coming out of both of them. That is absolutely perfect. Means that we put enough water in there. And here we are with the coffee plants in place in the bedroom. As you can see, they're not right up against the window. Coffee is an understory rainforest plant, so it likes a damp soil and it likes indirect sunlight, you know, a dappled shade sort of deal. So when they go outside, they're going to be underneath trees. You know, good thing to have plants inside in your bedroom, helps you to sleep. So there's a little bit of irony right there. You know, my coffee plants are going to help me to sleep at night. Hopefully Bob's not going to think, oh, we got trees inside. Dad was kind enough to put an inside toilet in for me. But, I mean, he's already been and checked them out. Told him to leave them alone, and he's fine with that. All right, there we go. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching, and bye for now.